wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best ceiling TV mounts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the installerparts mount would hold most flat screens that measure 23 to 42 inches. It's easy on the wallet and even has a scratch-resistant finish, though the included mounting hardware doesn't seem to be of the highest quality. It's made of solid toughened steel, however it's not for very heavy models and it can be hard to install. At number 9, you'd be hard-pressed to find another option besides the impact mounts folding that's sturdy enough to support up to £44, yet is still affordable enough for a cash-strapped budget. It's tested for up to 3 times its load capacity, so you get peace of mind too. This is a good under-cabinet choice, and the arm adjusts between 7 and 11 inches. But the fold-up latch could be stronger. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Made for curved TVs, the loctek CM3 can be secured to a flat or sloped ceiling or adjusted to attach to a wall. A versatile choice, it allows you to alter the height, tilt and swivel for convenient viewing from just about anywhere in any room. It comes with a universal hole pattern and can support up to £99. However, the instructions are confusing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ceiling TV mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the atdec telehook gives you options with an adjustable display height as well as a 360-degree rotation. If you need it to do more though, it can, thanks to several available accessories that allow for a dual back-to-back or vertical configuration. This one uses a donut mounting head and there are no unsightly holes in the bowl. It allows for a portrait or landscape orientation. Moving up our list to number 6. The Vivo Electric features a solid steel construction and adds a convenient touch to any home or office. It's operated by a remote-controlled motor that allows it to lift the TV out of sight when it's not being used. It can hold up to £66 and 23 to 55-inch screens. It features programmable memory settings and an adjustable height. However, it does suffer from occasional remote sensor issues. Halfway up our list at number 5. The sanus flat panel attaches securely to any reinforced solid surface and sports an unusual industrial pipe design. It is on the more expensive side, but its wire management system hides all of your cables for a sleek, attractive appearance. It includes detailed instructions with pictures and supports up to £175. It can be hung at 3 heights. At number 4, the videosecu adjustable will support nearly any television weighing up to £66. It swivels all the way around, making it a perfect choice for bars, restaurants and even doctors' offices, and accommodates a wide variety of hole patterns for easy mounting. It allows for a vertical or horizontal orientation, and extension poles are available. However, note that you do need a wrench to pivot or tilt it. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the mounted MI506 spins a full 360 degrees to provide easy viewing from anywhere in the room and can hold a maximum weight of £110. The package comes with everything you need to mount your compatible television, measuring from 23 to 42 inches. It works with VESA patterns 200 by 200 and 100 by 100, and its decorative plate hides the bolts. It includes comprehensive directions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ceiling TV mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Cheetah aplcmb boasts all the features you'd expect from a top-quality model, including an ample tilt and rotation. Additionally, unlike most, it arrives with a 15-foot HDMI cable, which adds to the overall value for the cost. It can be mounted on vaulted ceilings and includes a cable management channel. It's a heavy-duty build. And taking the top spot on our list. For anyone with plenty of space overhead, there's the StarTech long pole. With its extension range of between 8.2 and 9.8 feet, it gives you ample length for grand lobbies and cathedral ceiling living rooms. It swivels to adjust for sloped or flat surface mounting. It's good for displays of 32 to 75 inches and the metal feels sturdy. It comes in shorter options too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ceiling TV mounts, or simply click beneath this video.